Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how can you fix Wi-Fi not working on Google Nest Mini. To fix Wi-Fi issue on Google Nest Mini, you want to try restarting both the Nest Mini and your Wi-Fi router. Now here's how you actually need to do it. So, first of all, you want to simply unplug the Nest Mini from the power outlet and plug it back in. Then what you want to do is unplug your Wi-Fi router and plug it back in. And once you've actually done it, so check whether that fixes your issue or not. The other thing you could also try is ensure that the Nest Mini is within 15 to 20 feet of the router. If you have a double band router, try connecting the Nest Mini to both the 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz bands and see whether that fixes your issue or not. If the issue still persists on, you could also ensure or make sure that the Google Home app on your phone is up to date to the latest version. If you're using a VPN, that could also cause an issue, so you would actually want to try uninstalling or maybe try removing or disabling it and see whether that fixes your issue or not. So these are a couple of things you could try. Likewise, if the issue still persists on or it doesn't seem to be working out any of these procedures, then you want to restart or you want to simply close the Google Home app and then uninstall it and once again repair it and see whether that fixes your issue or not. So these are the things you could try. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.